Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you how to add Hydra Bot on Discord. So guys, at first go to your browser and tap on the search bar and search Hydra Bot. Now tap on the first option, Hydra Bot. And guys, make sure that you have to log in your account. Then tap on invite. Now select your server and then tap on continue. Tap on authorize. Now complete this captcha. Now go back your Discord. And here you have it. So guys, that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.